In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set a minimum order amount in Shopify, which is quite simple once you get the hang of it. To begin, you'll want to install a third-party app from the Shopify App Store specifically designed for this purpose. You can find these apps by simply conducting a search for terms such as minimum order quantity or quantity breaks. These searches should return several suitable options, among which you'll typically find apps like CartLock or Easy Checkout Controller that are known for their reliability and ease of use. After you've installed the app that best suits your needs, the next step involves setting up a new rule within the app for your minimum order quantity. This is done by opening the app and navigating to the option that allows you to create a new rule. This should be straightforward and intuitive, given the design of the app you've chosen. Now, let's get down to the specifics of the rule. Here you'll need to set the condition for the minimum order amount. Several options are provided to you, including ones that allow you to specify the minimum quantity for a single product by using a unique product tag such as MIN4. Alternatively, you can apply this rule to the entire cart if you wish. This flexibility allows you to decide whether all products should have a minimum order quantity or if it should only apply to certain ones. Once you've set the condition, it's time to define the rule. This is done in the block if less than field, where you set the minimum number of items required for customers to check out. You also have the option to personalize the error message that customers will see if they try to check out without meeting the minimum. This custom error message can be a great opportunity to politely remind your customers about the minimum order and potentially upsell them on additional products. Finally, don't forget to save changes once you've made all the necessary adjustments. This will activate the minimum order quantity, applying it to all applicable products in your store. And voila! You have now successfully set up a minimum order amount in Shopify. Although each app may vary slightly in interface and terminology, the essential steps remain the same, and you'll have become enough of a pro to navigate them with ease. So go ahead and start experimenting with your new minimum order system. Happy selling!